Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I just want to say thank you. We hit 70,000 subscribers. Like, I still can't believe it. Like, that's really crazy. Thank you guys for being here. Love y'all. So today's video, we're gonna be making these boxes. Look how cute. Here's box number 1, and this one, if you like ducks, this one's for you. Look, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. So this is what we're gonna be making this video. They're so cute. I have a market next weekend and its theme is Enchanted Forest, so I just wanted to make some things for that. Well, if you guys want to see how I created these, keep on watching. And as always, all of the items that I use are linked down below in my Amazon storefront. I also do custom requests, so you know, everything you need to know about my small business and how to order from me is down in the description box. So thank you guys for watching, and let's get on with the video. Handle. The power went out in my whole neighborhood. Okay, so these are the wooden boxes that I have. Okay, I have, I think, 5 total that I'm gonna make, but we're just gonna start off with these 2 right now. These are my cute little sketches. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to do the Duck River box and the Mushy Forest box right now. I have some moss, I have some paint, and we're just gonna start on it. The power's back. Power's back, power's back. So I'm gonna be using resin on the top of the box. I bought some tape. What is this? Painter's tape. And I'm just gonna put it around the sides so that when the resin drips, it doesn't drip over, you know, the box that needs to be opening. We're gonna do that right now. So I'm gonna leave this be the background for now. I'm gonna let it dry and I'm gonna start on the other box, taping it up and everything. Okay, this one is the one with the little lake. I know it looks like trash right now, y'all, but we gonna see the vision. The vision is gonna come through. I hope so. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm about to put on my respirator, but before I do, I wanted to show y'all the resin that I use because a lot of people were asking. So let me show you. This is my go-to resin. It's Let's Resin, just their regular one. This is the one that I use, but tonight for the boxes, I'm gonna be using their Fast Cure resin, which cures in 4 hours. This resin only has 20 minutes working time, so let's see if I can get this done in time. What are we gonna put in the box? Boots upon the dash, cross the roads towards LA, forget about the past. Let's leave in the morning, we'll be on the interstate. Life around is boring, let's just get away. actually. Like it fits perfectly there. All of these. This is how she is looking. Now we're gonna work on the little pond with our little duckies. I added some moss. Now we're gonna do the little duckies. I'm not really sure how I want to set them up. I think this one right here. Okay, it looks like it's missing a little touch of something, so we're gonna be using some gold flakes. And I'm gonna put them like in between the grass a little bit. Just so that it's a little something extra, you know? Yep, I like that. I like that. In case you were wondering why I taped the sides, as you can see, the resin is dripping. If I hadn't added the tape and the plastic, then the whole box would have been dripped on. And then it would have been sealed shut when the resin dried up. So, yep, that's why we do that, for extra protection. And I think this is how I'm gonna leave them. They're actually, look, it is so cute. Ah! I'm gonna wait like 2 more hours. Since it's a 4-hour cure, I think in 2 hours it'll get sticky. And I'm gonna like maneuver the water around so that it looks like actual waves. Don't do what I did. I didn't wear gloves, so I have like, my hands are all sticky. But I ran out of gloves, like literally I'm all out of gloves, so but it's okay. I have this resin remover from Illuminate. So if you ever get resin on your hands, this actually helps take away the stickiness. Just rub it for a while and then add hot water and it'll go away. I think I got some on my arm. It's a lifesaver, truly, because when you get resin on your hands and you can't take it off, it's the most frustrating thing ever. So this soap, literally amazing. Amazing. All right, guys. Heck yeah, it's the morning. And I ended up putting some plastic over here so that it can make a bit of a water effect. So let's take off the plastic. This might be a little tricky. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yes, I wanted some wave effects over here. Ah. Ah. All right. Okay, now we have to paint her. I'm thinking that I might paint, I might have the blue go down a bit, at least to the lid, and then have the rest green. Right. I don't know. I don't know. I got my blue paint. We're ready. We are ready. I got attacked. I got attacked by this palette knife. Okay, y'all, let's finish decorating them. I finished painting both the boxes. I don't know if it's dry. The shirt's already dirty, so might as well do a check. Okay, wait. Finished painting both of the boxes green, but we're gonna decorate the sides too, you know, because the top can't be the only one that's decorated. The sides need some love too. Hurry up, hurry up. I think I should put some here so that the cutoff of the water doesn't look as weird, I think. I don't know. I'm just going along, making stuff up as we go. Ah! Ah! It's getting me. It's getting me. Ah! Get away. So I have this blue UV resin from J Diction, and I think I'm gonna use it for the side of the water, you know, because it's water, you know, it's gotta be shiny. So I'm gonna do the UV resin right now. Let me put my mask on. What just happened? Why does it look like this? Okay, I decided to use the normal clear one on top. This is what it looks like before. Let's see if the color changes. Whoa. Whoa. What's going on? Whoa. You see that? Whoa. What? Is it because it's wood? Maybe that's why. It's actually my first time using UV resin on wood, so I hate the way that looks. I'm just gonna paint over that, because what even happened here? I don't know what type of chemical reaction, but I do not like it. You guys, I actually think I'm done. I think I'm done with the boxes.